In this video, I'm going to show you how to unpair Apple Watch with iPhone or without iPhone. To unpair Apple Watch with iPhone, just go to your iPhone Apple Watch app. Here, select My Watch and tap on All Watches. And here you will find your watch. Just tap on this I button next to the Apple Watch you want to unpair. And here go down and just tap on Unpair Apple Watch, and that's how we can unpair our Apple Watch from iPhone. And if you don't have your iPhone and you want to also unpair your watch with your iPhone, let's see how to do it without an iPhone. All you have to need, go to your Apple Watch and tap on this crown button to go to your app screen. Here you have to tap on Settings. From your Apple Watch settings app, go down and tap on General. Under General Settings, scroll down and tap on Reset. And here you have to tap on Erase All Content and Settings. Erasing will delete all of your data and also will unpair your Apple Watch with your iPhone. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.